Welcome to Arctic HVAC and Construction, where over 25 years of experience meets a passion for comfort and quality. As a family-owned business, we are dedicated to making homes in Sheldon and surrounding areas comfortable, regardless of the season. Our expert team specializes in air conditioning repair, maintenance, installation, and replacement services. Whether it's a simple fix or a full replacement, we ensure your air conditioning system runs smoothly, keeping you cool when you need it most. When winter arrives, we've got you covered. Arctic HVAC and Construction provides furnace repair, maintenance, and replacement to keep your home warm and safe during those cold months. But we don't stop at HVAC services. We offer comprehensive remodeling services, transforming kitchens, bathrooms, and office spaces into functional, beautiful spaces. We're passionate about bringing your vision to life. We proudly serve Sheldon, California, and surrounding areas like Elk Grove, Florin, Galt, and Sacramento. Our team is ready to provide reliable, sustainable HVAC and remodeling services. With Arctic HVAC and Construction, you're not just getting a service provider. You're partnering with a family committed to helping our community thrive, bringing personalized care and unmatched expertise to every project. Need to upgrade or repair your HVAC system? Ready to remodel your kitchen or bathroom? Call us today at 916-775-0587 or visit arcticvacantconstruction.com.